Hello, dear friends. This is Sajed Ali Khan from English Learning Really Made Easy. I warmly welcome you in my episode 4 of Learn Hindi Through English series. Dear friends, at the very outset, I would like to apologize for the delay of my fourth episode because of some unavoidable reason. I could not upload this video, but I promise you I'll try my best to continue my other videos in proper sequence. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today we are going to learn in this series matras in Hindi. In Hindi we call it matras and English we can call it symbols. It will help you friends how to write in Hindi and how to read Hindi properly. So let's see what are the matras in Hindi. So these are the letters we have seen in our previous videos like a, e, u, a, like that. So I'm going to show you how you can use these matras. These are the matras, like you can see this. This is small circle, it represents to any letter because we are just focusing on a particular matra. So we will not write all the letters. So here only matra, this box symbol in Hindi, this box contains only symbols that in Hindi we call matras. Okay. So this is like the sound of a in English. So this is a. And a has no matra, no symbol in English. Because in almost all consonant in Hindi, this is present. This sound is present in almost all consonant of Hindi language. So here there is no matra for this. But when you are using like when you are dragging the sound of like a double, we are using double a, so you can have this kind of symbol. You can see this symbol, right? So this symbol is added with this, so it become a, means here the sound is a and here the sound is a. Then this is the symbol of E. E. Okay. E here you have to just take the round downwards towards right like this. E. Okay. Then this is the symbol of again E, but the difference is that this is a small e and this is known as big E. What is the difference between a small e and big E? A small e, the sound you do not drag longer. You just say E, like kit, K-I-T, kit. But big E, you have to drag the sound. Like this is double E I'm giving here. So this is big E. Just the symbol is totally opposite to a small e. A small e symbol is going downwards towards right. And big E symbol will go downwards towards left. And the sound will be dragged like key, K-E-Y, we can say key. But in kit, we say K-I-T, kit. So sound we are not dragging. So this is the difference in the small e and big E. Then next is, this is the symbol of oo, oo. Okay. Then this is opposite to this oo and it is also giving a longer sound like oo. This is oo and this is oo. Then this is the symbol of re. Re. Whenever you are going to write any word beginning with re sound, you can write this symbol like this in Hindi. Then this is the symbol of A. And we are writing in Hindi A like this. A. Only one uh, small line like this from the top. And if you put two like this, then A. 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 Let's move to the next. O, like this is the sound of O, and the symbol will be written like this, O. Then ow, if there are two lines, small lines on the top like this, then it will be giving the sound ow. Like in Aurangabad, we write like that, ow. Or you can see this O sound. Then this is the sound of or un. Only one dot, one small dot like a full stop there, but you can pronounce it or un. Then these two dots, This is the symbol of ah. This is the symbol of the sound ah in Hindi. Now let us understand it in more detail with some examples. Like you can see here, as I told you, the sound of is already there. So you can say come, come. Here we are not dragging the sound. It is just come, not calm. But when you say calm, means you are dragging the sound. So this symbol will be added like this. Double is the sound of this. So we have added with this. So it become calm. Then E, this is a small e, right? Like this, a small e. So it will not be dragging the sound like kiss liye, Kisliye, kiss liye. So this is the sound of small e, but the big E, as I told you, we have to drag the sound in the big E like kheer. We are dragging it longer, kheer. And you can see this big E turning towards downward from left hand side and a small e turning towards downward from right hand side like see this one. So a small e will not drag the sound longer and big E will drag the sound longer. Then this is oo. This is the symbol of oo like this. You can see in bigger size. See gulab. Gulab. Like in English we say rose. This is the word in Hindi for rose that is called gulab. Then bhool. This is the sound here. Ooh, we have to drag the sound. This is the longer sound like bhool. Then we have r sound like this here, r or re, right? Re, like we can pronounce it turun, turun, right? Turun. Then a sound, kesh, kesh, just a small line like this, kesh. Then if it is double, then a. Or in Hindi we write hey like this. Hey. Hey means yes. In English we say yes. Hey. Right? Hey. Then this is the symbol of O like this here. O. You can see this symbol. So how we can use it in the word? Chore. Like in English we say thief. Chore. Okay? Chore. Then O like chowkat. Chowkat. In English, we call it threshold. Threshold. Okay. So I hope you are getting this. Let's move to the next slide. Some more examples. Like this is a sound. Double A, we are dragging it like arm, calm, nam. So the sound will be dragged. Small e will give the sound like I in English, like lick, mit, kick. Then big E, always remember the big E sound will be dragged longer, like double E, like read, meet, seat. Here the sound is not dragged because it is small. And see the style, small E is written turning down towards left and big E is written turning down towards, uh, sorry, small E is turning down towards right and big E turning down towards left. This is the style. Okay. Next is oo. This oo sound like gum. In English, we call it gum, but here we have to pronounce it gum, chup, loop. So here sound is not very much drag. But in the next, like this symbol, we have to drag the sound longer like moon. We are dragging it, right? We are not saying here goom, we are saying gum because sound is not to be dragged. But here we have to drag the sound like moon, doon, soon, like that. So this will be the symbol. Remember, if you want to drag the sound, use this symbol. If you don't want to drag it, use this type of symbol. Okay, next is re, the sound of re. And a small re is written like this. See, vriddhi, vriddhi, trut. See, we have written a small r like this here, trut, and krut, krut. Okay, next is a sound, rate, sate, tate. So wherever you will put this symbol, and as I told you, this small circle represents just like we are considering that there is a letter, and on that letter we are using this symbol. So suppose this letter is R, so it is Rate. This letter is S, like Sa, so it is Sate. This letter is T, like T, so it is Tate. And next is this double symbol like that, so it will be giving sound of A, like Paisa, Paisa, like Indian currency. Then Jaisa, then you can say Taisa. So this is giving the sound of A. Next is O. This is the sound of O, like mole, toll, soul. Okay. Then if we have double symbol like this, then it will give the sound of O, like Osat, Lota, Moka. Okay. Next is again, this is the symbol like only one dot, one dot. So we can pronounce it by two ways, like un or Sometimes we pronounce it sometimes we can pronounce it depending on the use. Like ant, sant. Like in English we say saint, religious man. So in Hindi we say sant, pant, shank. So you can see here na. We are not writing complete na, but we are just putting a dot and we consider it n like n in English, sant. Right? Here everywhere you can see n, and here you will see this small dot. This is the symbol of N. Okay. And the last is ah. This is the two dots. Two dots give the sound of ah. Like sota, swata, right? Sota, ata, and yat. So this is the way how the letters in Hindi, they are written, they are pronounced. I hope this video will be little bit helpful for you. If you like my video, please encourage me by subscribing my channel. If you subscribe, I get more motivation to make more such videos. And please share among your relatives and friends. And if you find any difficulty here, please comment me so that in my next video, I'll be more careful about, and I'll try my best to make it more easy for you. There are a lot of videos yet to come. Just I need your support and your guidance and your all whatever doubts you might have. Please feel free to write to me. With this, I would like to end my lecture here. Thank you so much for giving your precious time, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and God bless us all.